Are your rubber tracks showing cracks or missing lugs? Maybe they have exposed cords. It's time to think about replacement. Rubber Tracks Warehouse stocks what you need when you need it. We sell replacement rubber tracks, over-the-tire steel tracks, undercarriage parts, and attachments for the top brands, including Bobcat, John Deere, Kubota, Yanmar, Cat, and more. Our rubber tracks are guaranteed to fit your machine. All of our replacement rubber tracks meet or exceed OEM specs. They feature drop-forged steel inserts, wear-resistant rubber, dual continuous steel belt technology, and available in many different tread patterns to combat the toughest terrains. They are backed with a hassle-free 2-year warranty. We stock our rubber tracks and parts at 12 locations throughout the United States for pickup or expedited same-day shipping. We make purchasing easy with flexible 60-day terms and no credit check. Don't get stuck in the mud. Visit us online at rubbertrackswarehouse.com or call us toll-free at 800-239-5616 for more information or to get a quote on replacement rubber tracks for your machine.